Hey guys, Scott McCally, president of Auto Bake Serpentine. I'm here with Milby Bakery today. We're talking about rapid bake technology. This is our new Baker Thermal Solutions rapid bake oven. We're super excited about it. So the key things about rapid bake technology is anything that has high hydration, high fat content, or is 3 inches thick or less, we can actually reduce the bake time somewhere between 50 to 25%, but on average 30%. And the other interesting thing about RF technology that we're launching in here, you can see the RF launching system here. We actually have 4 launchers on this. It's going to be a lab oven in Plano, Texas. The interesting thing about this is all that RF energy that goes into this big box actually goes into the product. But this is a hybrid technology, so we're doing convection baking simultaneously with the RF. The RF is going into the product. The convection, as we all know, 35% goes into the product, 65% actually goes into everything else, all the metal, pans, air, etc. So the RF going into the product actually saves us about 20 to 30% total energy savings. So what we'd like for you guys to do is come to Plano, Texas. We'll have 4 zones of this. Come test your product, cookies, pastries, breads, etc. We'd love to have you and entertain you there. Thank you.